Hi ladies, now we are doing a practice where we are advancing up. So we've just been doing these practices lying back with our knees bent or sitting like cross-legged on the floor. Now we're going to do something standing so that we can get our muscles stronger and prepare for doing even more advanced lessons later where we go about our daily life walking around or dancing or doing some yoga while holding the egg in. But today you're just going to be standing with your legs a little bit wide apart, just holding the egg in, or standing even more wide and in a light squat a few inches down, like a tall squat, and I'll show you that now. As you can see here, I'm standing, I'm doing a light squat, and you'll have your egg in and you'll just lightly hold and squeeze it. And it's just something different. It allows you to feel a little bit different sensation of holding the egg in and get practice holding it in while being up. It's definitely a little harder to hold it in while you're standing, and then you'll relax and maybe hold the string there just so it doesn't drop out, and then do 1 or 2 more cycles of that. And this prepares you for being able to hold the egg in and walk around and do chores and move about your daily life. That's a lot of what they do in Asia. They don't do practices, they just do their normal activity while holding the egg in. Even going to the grocery store or doing dishes, chores, whatever, they can have the egg in there whenever they feel like they need to work with it. So it's an occasional thing that you might want to do is do in the horse stance and move up, and then we go to our next practice, which will be holding it in and moving around, dancing, or doing your chores. So I hope this practice has helped you, and definitely go ahead and practice it right now if you didn't practice it with me already. So doing a couple of rounds of it. And thanks for joining me again. It has been a pleasure.